I'm Steve Solack, and I'm a controls engineer. So as controls engineers, we're essentially responsible for bringing our equipment to life. That includes doing all of the programming, electrical design, robot programming, HMI interfaces. So in my current role here at Mission, I'm fortunate enough to be the controls engineering manager. A big part of that duty is actually mentorship and training for the young men and women coming up through the ranks here at Mission. As a controls engineer, you're going to learn a lot about manufacturing. You're going to learn a lot about PLCs, robots, electrical design, and just what it takes to make a machine work and work reliably. When we're looking for newer, younger controls engineers, I'm not looking for anybody who has all of the answers. Because we're going to train them and bring them up, on what we do. But essentially, I'm just looking for that drive, the curiosity that they want to learn. They want to know what makes this stuff tick.